Gravity SMTP is the latest product from the team at Gravity. With Gravity SMTP, an SMTP plugin for WordPress, you can reliably send emails from your WordPress website. Don't rely on the default PHP mail function used by WordPress. Instead, integrate your site with secure and trusted SMTP providers and API-based services, helping you to confidently send and track emails from your website. Getting up and running with Gravity SMTP takes no time at all. Simply navigate to the Gravity SMTP settings page and select Integrations. From here, you will be able to integrate Gravity SMTP with your preferred mail service, including Brevo, Mailgun, Postmark, and SendGrid, as well as other SMTP and API-based services via the custom SMTP feature. For instance, I'll follow the on-screen instructions to sync Gravity SMTP with my Postmark account. I can simply enter my Postmark API token and then configure the remaining settings to quickly get set up. After connecting with an email provider like Postmark, I can navigate to the Tools tab to send a test email. Sending a test email lets me check that the email configuration is correct and that emails will be sent and delivered successfully. I can also go to the email log page to see a detailed record of all emails that I have sent. At a glance, I can check email status and date and time sent, as well as further information including sender and recipient email addresses. I can also view the email sent in its original format, allowing me to review the content and check for any potential errors with ease. As Gravity SMTP is developed, we'll be adding more out-of-the-box integrations, including Microsoft Outlook, Gmail, and Amazon SES, which are all currently in the works. We also have a number of additional email logging features planned and coming soon to help you track and record all email activity, including tracking for email open rates, click-through rates, and more. And if you have any integrations you would like to see, head on over to our Gravity SMTP roadmap and let us know what's important to you. Gravity SMTP is currently free with a Gravity Forms Elite license. Get started today.